says Carl.
What in the world is that? I mean, they've never seen anything like it.
Hello, it's Leslie with Denwerks Vintage Cars, and we are really excited to bring you this 1967 Ford F250 4-speed truck. Really neat little truck. I'm excited to show it to you. It's got a 352 in it, still has the original motor. It was bought new at Doten Ford in Montana and came in lunar green with green interior, and it's been repainted at some point along the way. It was a one family owned truck until we picked it up in 2023, and so we're going to check it out. I'm going to just do a walk around interior, exterior, and under the hood so that you can take a look and let us know if you have any questions at all. And I'm going to be quiet now and just do a little walk around. Oh, and one thing I didn't mention, it came with the ICC corner lights, which are still on top of it. So instead of the usual 5 that I'm used to seeing, it has 2 on top just at the corners. So that's kind of a nice addition, and I think it looks really neat, and I'm glad that they're still there after all these years. This is most likely a Barton bumper. I didn't see any badging on it. But in case you don't know, you can remove the hinges when you put the bed down. And then that way you can lift the tailgate down further, which is really helpful. I'm going to pause this for a second and open the back latch here. All right, here's the bed. It's got a spray-in bed liner. It's in really good shape, actually. Just the bed in general. And I'll hop up here. Here's the top of the cab. And I'm going to pause this and then go around to the other side. All right, here's passenger side. Single exhaust. There's that chip. And let's take a look at the interior. It is a 4-speed, like I said, 352. Nice little driver. This truck drives really, really nice. Starts right up. This is gonna make an awesome ride for somebody. Like I said, it originally came in the lunar green color, and it's painted in that same shade of the lunar green. And then the Marty report calls out that it came with a green vinyl bench seat. Here's your instrument cluster. Then it's got a trailer brake and a hitch on the back. Radio delete, which is kind of cool. I always like that. So there's that. Courtesy light works. Oh, I took the key out. Well, I showed you in a picture. It does work. And then let's go around to the other side. The carpet's in really good shape, as you can see. Here's kind of under the dash. A little bit of warping right here. I'm trying to point out as many imperfections that we notice, and some warping up here. And then here's a look at the headliner. A little bit warped in some spots per typical. And sun visors. Here's the other one. Let's take a look. Oh, let me do this door. All right, and then I'm gonna pause it again so I can open the hood. Well, maybe I don't need to. This hood opens pretty good. Sometimes I can't hold a camera and open, but this one is pretty easy. We did it. Okay, so under the hood, like I said, it has 352 in it. It's the original motor, we believe, and the original carb. I was surprised the other day when I took the air cleaner off, and so we've got pictures of those part numbers in the gallery for you. Runs like a top. I've driven this one quite a bit. There's your jack. It's got drum brakes all the way around. Then your Ford valve covers on it. They just took really nice care of this truck. All right, There's this. All right, there we go. There's your look at the 1967 Ford F250 4-speed truck. And then here's another look at those ICC corner lights. I think they're kind of cute. So anyway, hope you like it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. You can reach out by comment on the auction, use contact seller option. And this one is no reserve, so it's going to a new home. Oh, and I should have said at the beginning, his name's Dino. Dino needs a new home, and we're excited to bring a trailer.